Alright, what up guys, what's going on? Today is Friday. It's 6:30 right now. I would have been at Spanky's house already, but I had to return because I forgot my camera and my valve cover. So I just picked up my camera and heading back to Spanky. I'm headed to Spanky now. I'll show you guys the valve cover in a second. But if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys know I got a whole bunch of Downstar stuff that I also forgot, but I had to go home to pick it up. I got like the cam bolts, cam seals, the tensioner, which I'm gonna use an OEM tensioner, bolt and stuff, because I feel a little bit more safe with that. I don't want to play around with that. But in this box right here is like probably, I don't even know, maybe 40, I don't even know, just like 40 different bolts, nuts, everything. I got everything OEM. Literally, look at this, guys. Like, playing no fucking game. Look at this bag. This bag has, like, I don't even know how many stuff. There's another thing too with like a whole bunch. Like, look at this. This baggie right here has a whole bunch. Like, we're not here to play, guys. I'm telling you. So, got all of that there, and yeah, headed to Spanky's. But let me show you guys the valve cover in a second. Here goes the valve cover right there. Boom. I picked up the valve cover and all the powder coating parts earlier. Well, yesterday. No, 2 days ago actually. I'm not sure if I'm gonna include it in this video or not because that's like a whole nother separate thing. So I'm not sure. It might be too long to include it into this video. So it might be like a whole nother video of picking up the parts, showing you guys. And he did like a little small edit, so I can put it in the video. I'm gonna put on the mount brackets and stuff like that, so you guys can see that. So that might be for another video, but I mean, you guys gotta see it regardless. So just like, look at that color. Like, this thing is fucking beautiful. Let me see if I can get more light. Like, that color is amazing. You guys will see it in the garage, but I'm on the highway. I'm about 20 minutes away. Let's go. It's gonna be an all-nighter. Another probably 2 a.m. working on this thing. No, I shouldn't be doing this, but guys, I don't know why on camera this thing doesn't, it's not blue, it's purple. I mean, you guys can see it. It's purple. In person, it's purple. On camera, it gives off that blue, like a blue color. Well, I think it's because of the LED light. It did the same thing when he sent me a video, but it's not blue. You guys can see it's like a really dark purple. Alright, we're back at the garage. We're about to podcast this head real quick. I think right now, what we doing? Rock assembly right now, right?
We're removing the rock assembly.
Removing the rock assembly from the stock, right? Stock to the upgraded ones. Where you at?
So that's what they get. Here, toma.
You check how much clearance, right, it has?
Yeah, I'm checking the clearance right now.
Alright, so you check clearance, and then you said you about to do hold it down, right? Something like that, right? Basically these parts right here, it's like a fake flush on the cams, but the cams, come to find out they're bad. The VTEC on lobe 1, you said, right? Lobe 1?
VTEC lobe 1.
VTEC lobe 1 is completely flat now, so I bought those cams for nothing. But we're going to continue with the head and see where we go.
Did you turn on the compressor today?
Measure the cam caps. Everything is good, squared off. I'm gonna put the LMAs back, just clean them off. Gonna put the upgraded LMAs, which are
You gotta give it to me.
Over here, yeah. Hold on. Right here, I got some Skunk 2 ones. Right here, so we're gonna upgrade them to these. And yeah, so the cams are bad. It's hard to tell, but VTech 1.
It's not hard to tell. It's very simple.
He told me to get them new. I didn't listen, so I learned my lesson on that. So
If you look at number 1 over here,
yeah, so look at it.
and you
can
look
look
at
it right there.
number 1 over here, how it's flattened out,
Yeah, you can literally tell right there.
and how that.
And my
one
friend
is.
just told me too. He said he knows somebody that dropped valves from flat spots on the cams. So I'm not gonna be putting those on. So I took a major L on those. And we got some B16 cams here. So I'm trying to figure out what to do. I mean, I know I'll make the part on the B16 ones, but I'm gonna probably have to wait. Probably go with some Pro 1 cams.
It's a podcast. It's recording already? Yes. It's recording.
You're picking up the right way.
Back here.
I gotta delete that.
What?
Hold on.
Stop thinking.
Hold on. We gotta go down evenly. There.
This guy making me laugh for the podcast. This fucking asshole. Alright, motor. Basically together, head is on. We moving. We got a K over here being built. Damn, that's great.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
You shut the camera on like this.
You got it.
We just torqued it to 26, right?
25.
25. Now it's about to do another step. Which step is this?
We're gonna go 55.
55.
Una chico en action, está temblando la mano ahí.
Hay que darle como no.
The nigga doing 70 pounds.
Hay que darle como un macho chulo. That's the difference between the size of the throat. Like one is long.
Yeah, it did 55. Now we at 100. We at big boy status. I got you. Alright, motor's torqued down to 100. Well, he does 100 because he says turbo motor. Alright, so the motor is like 80% done, right? 80% done. Everything was supposed to get done today, but I bought some CTR cams that are bad. The VTech Lobe 1 is completely flat out, so we can't use those because like a dropper valve. What did you say I could do? Like a dropper valve.
Dropper valve, you could get a head tick.
Head tick.
Then it's not gonna have the proper lift to
Oh yeah,
open
on
up
VTech,
correctly.
yeah, when VTech open, so it's just
a
whole bunch of shit.
So it's gonna have a difference in horsepower on cylinder 1 compared to 2, 3, and 4. So there's gonna make a major difference.
Yeah,
in
so,
cooling
I
motor
mean,
and everything.
can't really do nothing about that. I'm gonna have to wait, order some Skunk 2 Pro ones hopefully soon, and then we put everything else on. But everything else here is already on. All the Downstar intake side, Downstar exhaust side, everything is full of Downstar. Got the Downstar cam seals. All these bolts on the outside are new. Underneath the head are new. the thermostat housing, the heater core, everything is brand new on this. So little by little we getting there. Got to put the twin disc on. That's last, but still missing the timing belt and everything. But we can't do none of that without some cams. So we're gonna be back probably, I don't know, maybe next week. Still gotta do. We gotta do the thermostat. Gotta get a thermostat. I have to get a gasket for the VTEC solenoid. Yeah, wait for the oil pan gasket. It has like a steel. What is it? It's a steel insert. So when we clamp down the oil pan, it doesn't squish out. So it's a Speed Factory one. But yeah, for right now, this is where she stands. She looks blue on the camera, but it's purple. You can see it like from far away. But yeah, so this is where she's at now. And yeah, I mean, we can't really do much. Got the tensioner, everything else on. Still got to get cams and put the timing belt and everything. But if you guys see a sale on some Pro 1 cams, brand new for cheap or anything, let me know. But yeah, until right now, that's all we got.